Nice little factory setup here at the Nelly track. What do you guys think of that?
Banners and shit.
Banners and shit. Man, you think we're at Redbud or something?
It's rocky.
Rocky?
Rocky is
We got rocks, we got dirt, we got sand. We got everything. This guy's...
We got hose.
I have a solution for the back. Just send it.
Just send it.
Yup.
Words of wisdom over here.
Words of wisdom.
We got mud in the back.
Yup.
10 out of 10 stream?
Totally. Fuck. Solid.
Solid.
So cinematic.
Come on, let her rip. Oh, he is.
The busing ones. Morning mints. Just about to head out the riders meeting.
465.
Yeah.
They're
After, right?
No, before.
No, that's race order, right?
Going out for paid
Oh,
practice,
yeah,
boys.
okay, yeah.
Trying to figure out the schedule right now.
Oh yeah, no, we can.
It's not really working out.
Go and head out.
Yeah. What do you think about the track?
It's pretty dry right now. Heading out from practice too
Oh yeah,
with the fellas.
for sure.
Gonna throw some sty.
You gotta have sty.
Gonna have sty.
Sty over speed.
Pimpin' ain't easy.
It ain't easy.
They call me fucking AJ Campbell. That's my goddamn name. Track's mint, ready to rip.
Don't even need to ask questions.
Yeah.
Questions are answered.
Dude, I know what I'm doing.
Oh yeah. What do you think about the track?
Eating ass, hauling ass.
Oh yeah. What's the fucking
Suck dick. Get money.
Raylan Watson fucking butts, baby.
Let's go. What do you think about the track so far?
I haven't rode yet.
Don't really care.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yo, how are you liking the track today, Cormac?
You know, it's all right. It ain't no 10 out of 10, but hey,
It's all right.
it's the way she goes.
Oh yeah. What's the motto for the day?
Oh, the model. Go fucking fast.
Let's go fucking fast.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Heard it first from Cormac.
Walking in the fog, life got worse than it was before.
Probably got my script rocks. Probably got my script rocks. Got me kind of sloppy. Got me dodging on the body bag. In the lobby, dropping down the rolling down my heart. Down the pop, fucking lots of got my zombie. Got my motherfucking damn man. Want these people, not a name, it's just another damn man. Talk, got me damn man. Stop, got me silhouette. Chalky type and not your bottoms, just another
Just finish up the weekend.
Finally,
We got
bro.
this boy here. Finally finished the weekend. What'd you get overall?
7th in MX2 and 3rd in MX3.
Third, boys. We like to see the podium. And I got second yesterday, and then battled for first today, so that makes me first overall. Beating them with 47-47.
White girl lit off the Molly, Charlie, she wanna party with me. Sippin', Casamigos and Whitney. Emily tryna get frisky, you get me. Took a trip, LSD, did you miss me? Backdoor Stephanie try to trick me.